eating pretzels.
You have both your glasses on still.
Don't really care.
You want some hummus, Gigi?
Yeah.
Where's the garlic hummus?
That's my favorite. What's your favorite kind of hummus?
I just like Lance.
That's what? Ranch.
She doesn't really like hummus.
I don't think that's a flavor of hummus. It's not one that I've heard of.
Well, she doesn't really like hummus.
I don't like hummus that much. For all you folks at home who don't know that, now you do.
Fun fact.
Look at this. Doesn't
That's
it
a
look
lot of
delicious? I'm gonna feed it to you.
We have to be loud too, so that they.
That's like ASMR.
Who wants a pretzel? Pretzel, pretzel, pretzel.
Anyway, these are pretzels.
If they watch for like 30 seconds, does it still count as a view?
I have no idea.
It does. Anyway,
Yeah.
I don't know, but I think it does.
I always want up to know it's good. I'm a Harry Potter.
It's like my favorite snack. I could probably sit here and eat like this whole thing of
I
hummus.
know, right? I've already eaten half of it.
So where did you get this one? At Sam's?
This one's just from Publix. The hummus they have at Sam's is like this tall. It's awesome.
Yeah, move your arm.
Me?
My bad, no mine.
No, her.
Look.
Hey guys, introduce yourselves.
I'm Kayla, the hummus lover.
Ooh.
Garlic specifically.
What are you doing?
Take the pretzel. Doesn't that look good?
Sierra, what's your favorite kind of hummus? This is a Q&A video.
Oh.
Oh, it's just, what do we
I
turn
like-
into one?
I like garlic too, but I'll do it. I'll do original too. Original or garlic.
Okay guys, that's all the
Wait,
time we
what about
Answer in the comments. What's your favorite type of hummus?
Yeah.
I just want to say that mine is all of them except for the spicy one.
Okay,
We want to know your favorite type of hummus. Comment below in the comment section.
let me end this
And
thing.
subscribe.
We love you guys.